Having watched the tank preparation video, you are now ready to spray. We have found that you will need to insulate the tanks with tank pads since it is always cool in a crawl space. Check the tank's temperature often. You can spray directly on the concrete blocks, but you must brush them down with a steel brush to remove any and all dirt. Make sure you spray all the way down to the foundation. If the foundation has a foam insulation, you can spray directly on the foam after wiping the foam surface.
Always take a minute to watch the tank preparation instructional video before you spray for the first time.